Hey all, welcome back to the Yes Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm here to unbox a Reverie box for the month of April. So excited because this month it's all about the facial care, and yeah, let's just jump into the unboxing. So let me open this. This is the box which we get normally every month, so the box is same. So let's just see what the contents we have. So we have a little card which says what is Reverie box and all the information. We have got the similar card last month. And then we have another little card which says to Divya with lots of love from Reverie box. So thank you Reverie box. And the speciality of Reverie box is all that they do all the customized packaging, and they write these letters with their own handwriting, and it actually gives a very nice, loving and affectionate touch to the box. We have all these products in this box. Let me see what the first product is. This is a Vana Vidhi Coconut Natural Face Wash, and this is of 100 ml. We have been eyeing to buy this product since long time. I'm happy for that. And we have a small info card on what this face wash is about. This is 0% chemical, no paraben, no sulfates, and this is a product of Vana Vidhi and Saint Pure, and this is retailed at 990 rupees. So this is the first product we have in this month's box. The next one I see is a toner, facial toner, and this is from the brand Thwak, and this is a fruit enzyme alcohol free toner. This is a 100 ml product, and so this does not have sulfate, no parabens, no SLAs, no petroleum oils used on this. We have aqua rose, we have rose, aloe leaf, lavender, blackberry, pomegranate. So this is made of fruit based toner, and this is suitable for all skin types. This is retailed at 295 rupees. So the good thing is it got a pump spray in it, so that's nice. This is my second product, and the next one is so exciting because this is a face cream, and this is also from Vana Vidhi. This is a Vana Himalayan Black Sea Buckthorn moisturizer, and sea buckthorn is called fruit of God, and that is very helpful in healing your skin, and also it has lot of good things in it. So this is how the cream is, and this has natural sun protection, and this is a Himalayan sea buckthorn moisturizer, and this is for 100 grams, and this is retailed at 1599 rupees, and this is manufactured March 2017. So that's something nice. Next thing I can say is so pretty. It actually comes in this test tube, and that's so nice, and this is from the brand Varsha One. So this is a wild rose and clay face mask, and yeah, this is 100% natural and carefully handmade in small batches, and so that's something nice. And this is actually a cleanser and mask 2-in-1. So it contains high amount of vitamin C and powerful antioxidant that can help protect skin from damage, including negative impact of sun exposure, and this is really useful in summer. This is retail for 1599 rupees for 100 grams. That is so expensive. This is a face cleanser. You have to take a small amount with dry spatula, massage gently in upwards, and rinse and pat dry. So if you want to use as a face mask, you have to mix 1 teaspoon of this powder with a rose water and apply on the face all over, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm so excited to try this one, and that's my next product in this month's box. And I see these two little soaps from Soap Square, and these are herbal and handcrafted soap. This is red rose with shea butter, and I don't have price mentioned here, but I've got 2 of these soaps, and they smell so nice. When I open these boxes, they smell so nice. This is how the soap is. It has all, I'm not sure if my camera is picking up, but it has all little tiny rose petals inside this, and this is so nice. It smells so nice. These are all the products which I've got in this month's box. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. You have to hit that like button, and if you're not my subscriber, just hit that subscribe button and you'll be part of my family. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.